All right, let's turn attention to Jigawa State, where the state is taking first steps to sustain its open defecation-free status, becoming one of Nigeria's shining examples in sanitation reform. At a two-day post-ODF review and planning workshop, stakeholders agreed to restructure local government wash departments and establish a Jigawa Open Defecation-Free Day to deepen hygiene awareness and community participation. Yusuf Issa reports.
With a renewed commitment to safeguarding years of progress in public sanitation, Jigawa State is setting a new phase for others to follow. Participants at a two-day first ODF assessment, dissemination, and sustainability planning workshop have agreed to restructure local government wash departments to align with the state, national, and global standards. The stakeholders also endorsed the creation of Jigawa Open Defecation-Free Day to raise public awareness, celebrate progress, and renewed commitments to self-sanitation practice across all communities.
With the commitment of the strategic partners and the state government himself, for the state governor to always call for, knowing the status, are we still open defecation? I don't want any other state to take over. We want to remain relevant. That shows commitment. That shows that Jigawa, their vision on open defecation-free game is something that is going to, be sustained over the years.
Officials say the initiative aimed to strengthen local ownership, improve hygiene culture, and ensure the gains of Jigawa's ODF status are not lost. They also call for continuous hygiene promotion, better coordination among relevant ministries, and greater investment in sanitation infrastructure to meet the 2030 national target of open defecation-free Nigeria.
And we are ready to give you support. And even our local government chairman, they are ready. That is even why we are here to get our structure to go with our position as open defecation-free.
The level of our commitment as local government council will contribute not less than 60% of the financial resources to see that this issue of the ODF is being a success in the state.
The workshop, organized by the Govt State Ministry of Water Resources in collaboration with UNICEF, brought together top government officials, local council leaders, and sanitation experts. Yusuf Issa, TVC News, Bauchi.
Well, let's bring in our reporter, Yusuf Issa. He joins us from Jigawa State. Yusuf, sanitation has been a big challenge in the country, especially when it comes to dealing with communicable and non-communicable diseases. Just speak to us about what the Jigawa State government is doing and the impact it has now overall, especially on health.
Yeah, we are here in Bauchi, where Jigawa State, in collaboration with UNICEF, is taking a new step in safeguarding its open defecation-free status. It's a two-day post-ODF review and planning workshop where stakeholders agreed to restructure local government wash department and establish a dedicated Jigawa ODF day. It's aimed at to deepen hygiene awareness and strengthen local ownership and ensure the state doesn't lose its sanitation gain it has worked so hard to achieve. The major outcome is a renewed commitment by the Jigawa State government to sustain its open defecation-free status. Stakeholders agreed on two key actions: that's the restructuring of local government wash department to meet the national standard, and also to establishing an annual Jigawa Open Defecation-Free Day to strengthen public awareness and hygiene practice across all communities. So the structuring is meant to make the system stronger and more sustainable. It will also help local government to align with the state, national, and global wash standard to improve coordination among ministries and agencies.
And Yusuf, when it comes to sanitation and hygiene, the biggest challenge would be the compliance from residents. Just speak to us about how residents are complying with some of the rules and regulations laid down by the state government.
Well, the residents of Jigawa State are fully in cooperation with state government efforts to stop this open defecation across the state, because the state wanted to sustain its status. As last 2 or 3 weeks ago, it was declared free of open defecation among its counterparts across the country. So that's why the citizens also are cooperating with government effort, and also they are cooperating with the UNICEF effort to ensure that Jigawa State be safe of this Open Defecation Act.
All right, thank you so much, Yusuf, reporter live for us in Bauchi State.